Hey there, fellow creatives. I'm Stef. As founder of a branding studio, I've always been passionate about strategy and design. I started out as a graphic designer, learning about brand strategy throughout the years. I saw the importance of brand strategy on my company, my work, my relationship with my clients, but most of all, my clients' relationship with their customers. I was able to create better and stronger brands, and the work was a lot more fun. In this series of videos, I'm going to walk you through some of the core aspects of brand strategy and how to set up a creative brief with HolaBrief. But let's talk about you for a minute. Are you struggling with that feeling of being an order taker? Do you get the feeling that your client's brief isn't strong enough, or worse, that the proposed solutions aren't the right one? Maybe you want to level up your creative business, helping your clients on a strategic level, solving their business problems together. Let's be honest here, there isn't any magical solution to these problems, but I can't help the feeling that my life as a creative entrepreneur has changed for the better. How? By going beyond the ask, by becoming a true partner, by building a narrative together with your client. So let's take a look at how HolaBrief can help you become a more valuable creative. One of the first things I would love to talk to you about is collaboration. You can easily assign exercises to you or your client, or just do them together. This helps you in creating a brief that's based on your expertise and your clients. It allows you to get on the same page and create better design solutions. Working together with your client on a strategic level also helps to build trust. And that trust is what you will need later on in the creative execution. If you have trust, there'll be fewer iterations and more creative freedom. Another important aspect is education, not only for you but also for your client. HolaBrief is not only a tool, it's a framework that helps you become a better, more strategic creative. But what's really exciting is that you're not only gaining clarity for your brief, you're helping your client in understanding his business and coming up with the perfect creative solution. You're helping them understand their customer, their story, their positioning. This brings a lot more value to them. Don't underestimate how important this is. Oftentimes, clients are so immersed into their own business, they don't think about how customers perceive them. If you can help them do that, you're no longer just an order taker, you become a business partner. And that is worth a lot more than just paying for that logo or that web design. Being a more strategic designer allows you to increase your pricing drastically. Or as Blair Ann says, price the client, not the job. Now maybe you're thinking, that all sounds really nice, but how will that actually work? How can I work together with my clients on HolaBrief? Here are a few simple examples to help you understand. Let's say you are working remotely on a project. After a call or a meeting, you want to go through the exercises together to get a better understanding of your client's company and the challenge at hand. After creating this project, you can assign the exercises to you or your client. If you are doing the exercises yourself, you can always validate them later on with your client. Or maybe you just finished a brand workshop and you want to solidify all that information that you uncovered. You can even add information that was missing in the workshop to get a more complete image of the project. Once all of the exercises are completed, you can share them with your client and your own team, so everyone is on the same page. You have now established common ground, and you can refer back to this point later in time when you're doing the creative execution. I hope this video has helped you in understanding how important this creative briefing phase is. It's so much more than this unwanted step before you get into design. It's an essential part of the creative process. Now let's get a beer.